Hello students, today we will learn the comparison of rational number part 2. In last lecture, we learned how to compare rational numbers when denominators are equal or numerators are equal. Now here rational numbers with different denominators. Suppose a upon b and c upon d are rational numbers such that b and d are positive. Then that's mean when denominators are different and numerators are different. Here we learn the cross multiplication method. Now example 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 9. Now here numerators are different and denominators are also different. So you use cross multiplication method. A into D and B into C. Now here A into D, that is 3 into 9, and B into C 5 into 4 equals to 3 9s are 27, 5 4s are 20. Now 27 is greater, therefore this rational number is greater, therefore 3 upon 5 is greater than 4 upon 9. Now in second case, when the cross multiplication is equal, a into d and b into c are equal, then both the rational numbers are equal. Example 8 upon 6 and 4 upon 3. Here write product 8 into 3, 8 into 3 and 6 into 4. 8 3s are 24, 6 4s are 24. The product is equal, therefore both the numbers are equal. Therefore 8 upon 6 equals to 4 upon 3. In third case, 5 upon 8 and 7 upon 9. Now a into d, 5 into 9 and b into c, 8 into 7. 5 9s are 45, 8 7s are 56. Now 56 is greater, therefore this rational number is greater. 5 upon 8 is less than 7 upon 9. In this way, we learn compare rational numbers when different denominators.